Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas day 16. I am filming the same day again because lazy day won over filming ahead, but it's fine. I just got back from town. I ran to the post office to send back those 8.5 booties. I have a couple other things I need to ship back, but I have had a big ordeal with my computers and printers and all of that. So my old computer is the one where I hooked up my printer, all my other programs and things like that, and the storage got full, it got slow. Even though Macs aren't supposed to get a virus, I think that one did. And so we got a new computer for me so I could just use that for the internet and for my YouTube videos. So now my old computer is not turning on at all. There's no lights on the computer, on the charger, so I don't know if the charger's not on because the computer's gone or if it's the charger, but I feel like I just got that charger a few years ago and everything seems fine on it, so I don't know if the computer finally bit it or if it's the charger. I don't know. I may order another charger just to see. It's not the wall plug because I tried different ones and they're all working, so I don't know what's going on, but I have several programs and a lot of things on that computer, so I'm really hoping that it's not gone for good. So send me all the good vibes because I need them. So since I can't turn my old computer on, I have got to print some shipping labels. So I tried plugging my printer into the new computer and it is not working for some reason. It's pulling it up, it's saying it's online. I don't know what's going on, so I went to the website, downloaded the software, still not working, so I just gave up, ran to town, shipped that because I had the shipping label with the package, and I'm gonna try it later, but I'm just gonna need to take a break because that was getting aggravating. But now I think I'm gonna go run because it is 65 degrees, so it feels so good outside. It is perfect running weather and I can't even remember the last time I have ran. It has definitely been at least 2 months, if not more, so it's a perfect day. So I'm gonna do that, and then when I get back from running I am going to start cleaning my messy house. So I will see y'all when I get back from running. So I just got back from running and y'all, I am out of shape. That was tough. So I run in my neighborhood and it is pretty hilly. So I honestly had to walk most of the way back, but that's okay with me. If I need to walk, I walk. I got out and did something, so that is good for me. I just did 2 miles, but it has been a while and it just felt really good to get back out there. Hopefully the weather will be kind of warmer like this the rest of the week so I can run some more. And I was gonna clean when I got back, but my legs are so exhausted and my knee is hurting, so I'm gonna have to just sit down and take it easy for a little bit. I'm probably gonna watch some White Collar, but I for sure am going to clean later because our bedroom is a disaster from me because of all of the clothes and packages and all kinds of stuff. So I just feel so much better when the house is clean. So I'm gonna do that and then try and clean the kitchen and living room yet again. And that's probably gonna be all for today, is just those 2 rooms. But yeah, I'm gonna rest for a little bit and then I will get back on here to clean. Okay, something else I'm kind of embarrassed to show y'all, but this is just like stuff I need to take back and stuff I've bought. And this is actually stuff from that photo shoot with my mom that I still haven't put up. So it's really all just a bunch of clothes that I keep piling. That is a couple of Christmas gifts I can't show you just in case the people are watching this. So I doubt it, but just to be safe. So I'm gonna show y'all kind of a time lapse of cleaning this up, and I will show you the after. We're not gonna get into the dresser right now. Okay, it looks so much better. I have this single shoe here because the other one is broke. This little thing is missing, so I need to glue it, so I have it here, so don't forget to fix it. And these are house shoes that I have too many of, my straightener box. And this is stuff that I use every day, so I always keep my purse there. This is my work bag. These are those sequin pants I need to take back, and that Walmart sweater that I need to take back. This is my dance fitness bag. And then this is my hair dryer that I just haven't opened yet. That is it for day 16. I know it is another really short vlog and probably still not the cleaning video that y'all wanted to see, but as soon as my husband got home from work today, we sat down on the couch and watched White Collar, and it was so nice just spending some time together. So I have got to get back ahead because of days like this. So hopefully I can do that tomorrow. Not a lot going on. I'm trying to think of what I have. I'm probably going to work on my blog some more, have my dance class later, and I have got to learn a new dance for tomorrow night because it is going to be my last class of the year. Next week is Christmas Eve, and the week after that is New Year's Eve. So I will probably go ahead and not have it for the next 2 weeks. So I won't have it until January. So I've got to make it a good class. And then Wednesday, I'm hoping to go get my brows waxed and tinted and go check out Lizard Thicket in Knoxville again. And yeah, so I will at least have an exciting vlog. Hopefully I will be ahead by then, and y'all will see all of that on Thursday. But that is it for this vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.